As you can see, a lot of persons were here today for the inspection. People are really investing in this property, okay, and it belongs to a company. So you do not have any challenge with the community. It's not a layout, it's an estate. You have no challenge at all with the community in the nearest future, not at all. Yes, this property, today is Wednesday, 26th of July 2023. As you can see, a lot of persons were here today for the inspection. People are really investing in this property, okay, and it belongs to a company. So you do not have any challenge with the community. It's not a layout, it's an estate. You have no challenge at all with the community in the nearest future, not at all. And the measurement is still 500 square meter. All right, so it is very close to a third road. Look at the primary school I showed you earlier. Look at the primary school here. All right, so people are really investing in this property. This is a property for land banking. It's one investment for the future, and it has a potential for growth. All right, this place is situated 12-minute drive from Igbo News roundabout. Okay, it's 12-minute drive from Igbo News roundabout, and there's a property we are selling for 3 million naira called Mack Estate. It is just 10-minute drive from here, 3 million naira, and this one is 700,000. So can't you see that the growth is very near, very near. All right, so look at the primary school. Look at the primary school, and the third road is over there. That road is over there. So this place is not inside like some people are really saying. This is an investment property. Okay, let's see if we can get to the road, because we're already going, but let me show you the road. Let me show you the third road. So it's an investment property, no doubt, but then the growth is very near. And do not forget that Peace Medical University, that's Medical College of Education, is at the other axis. If you get to Igbo News roundabout, if you are taking the right hand side, you are coming to this area. But if you take the straight road, you'll be going towards the Peace Medical University. All right, so it's just 12-minute drive from that Igbo News roundabout. So we are going to the third road so that you will see the closeness of this place to third road. So the potential for future growth is very assured. All right, look at the third road here. Look at it. So look at the third road. So what you're checking for if you are buying landed property is closeness to accessible road and other amenities. This is an estate, and it's going to have amenities that an estate is supposed to have, like good road network in the estate. All right, like electricity, water. It's going to be gated. All right, it's going to be fenced and gated. So it's not a layout, it's an estate. So if you are buying a property here, you are safe. So on Sunday 30th of this month, this promo of buy one get half free and buy two get one free is going to end. So you still have the opportunity of paying for your own property today. You still have the opportunity. It's still selling for just 700,000 naira. Okay, you have seen the closeness of the road to the property. Okay, so the entrance is actually not going to be inside this school. It's going to be by that side. See that road you're seeing, the tree you're seeing, that's where the road is going to be. That's the entrance into the estate. So it's really for land banking, but then the development is closer, given that other estates that are around here is selling at 3 million naira, some 1.5 million, some 2 million. So the one that is so peculiar that most of you know is Mack Estate. Mack Estate is just 10-minute drive from here, and it is selling, Mack Estate is selling for 3 million naira. So you can see it's not really in a bush like that. It's not really in a bush. So it's a very good property to invest in. Trust me. Okay, so people are here for inspection. So the fact that you're not able to meet up with today does not mean we're not going to take you to inspection if you're ready next time. Yeah, and there's likelihood of going to be a price review after Sunday. So rush now and grab your property before the price increases, and rush now that we are still running the promo before the promo will end. I remain your best friend and your real estate consultant here in Enugu, Nigeria, Loveth Aneke. Until I come your way again, bye for now.